Easy. Now you try. First, get a jar. Patrick, that's a
Lizard!
Yes.
There's more than one way to skin a curvy.
Many unbearable hours later.
Are you SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yes!
Let's book him!
Wow, you guys are good. I'm the last person I would have suspected, but I was looking for me all the time. It's the perfect crime.
Yeah, tell it to the judge, Pinky.
Oh no! Patrick's too sensitive for the big house! Wait! Stop!
I'm the one you want!
I am the criminal!
What are you gonna do to us?
Okay, follow me. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime.